Hey folks, well, the truck or the bus is done, but they've been kind enough to let me stay in their parking lot overnight. I'll get moving in the morning. Kind of expensive fix, but at least it's done and I can get back on the road. I'm changing my plans. I would normally be out another month, but I've decided since this costs so much, I'm going to try and offset that by taking a shorter route and going straight to Dallas from here. So that'll cut out quite a bit of gas charges. Anyhow, for all those who are praying for me, keep praying. Hopefully I'm scheduled now to be back in Dallas on the August 1st. And I have reservations at a campground in Dallas. And that's home for me. And I'll actually be there for probably 2 or 3 months now. Just trying to save some money. Anyhow, that's all I got for this time. And keep tuned. I'll do videos along the way. Thanks for watching and be safe.